Welcome, everyone, to the enchanting realm of colors. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey, delving into the vibrant spectrum that paints our world. Our quest is to acquaint ourselves not only with the primary colors, but also with their remarkable offspring, the secondary colors. Primary colors are the fundamental colors that cannot be created by mixing other colors. In traditional color theory, the primary colors are red, 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 blue, 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 yellow, 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 yellow. The primary colors are red, blue, yellow. These colors serve as the building blocks for creating other colors. Secondary colors are created by mixing two primary colors in equal parts. The secondary colors are red mixing with yellow equals orange, red mixing with blue equals purple, blue mixing with yellow equals green. The secondary colors are orange, purple, green. Secondary colors. Understanding primary and secondary colors is essential for color mixing, art, design, and various applications in visual fields. Thank you for watching!